Lesson 3, Bids and Estimates. We're on the Bids and Estimates chapter, and we are to the quiz questions. Remember, these quiz questions are designed to help you get familiar with the way the test is written. They're not necessarily things that will come up in your actual test. It's just to help you learn the testing patterns. Number 1, how is project overhead different from company overhead? Choose one answer. A, project overhead is directly linked with a project. B, project overhead is always a fixed expense. C, company overhead is directly linked with a project. D, company overhead is a variable or changing expense. Pick an answer for yourself, just in your head. Okay, now here we're going to get the answer. How is project overhead different from company overhead? Answer we're looking for is A, project overhead is directly linked with a project. Number 2, doing excellent work and making a profit are foundational to the success of a contractor's business. What is a crucial or most important part of this foundation? A, good bid shopping skills. B, a well-written contract. C, a low bid. D, accurate estimates. Okay, pick one. Here we go. Doing excellent work and making a profit are foundational to the success of a contractor's business. What is a crucial part of this foundation? Answer we want is D, accurate estimates. Of course, B, well-written contracts, a good thing also. But they want you to understand that it's extremely important that you learn to estimate accurately. Accurate estimates. A well-written contract for a bad estimate is not a good contract for you. Number 3, what is a contractor looking for when he or she makes a site visit prior to writing up an estimate? Whenever possible, you should make site visits. Site visits are extremely important to let you know what's coming up, what kinds of challenges you're going to have on that project. 15 flights of stairs and no decent freight elevator. Okay, choose one answer. A, the property owner's deed to the property. What are we looking for on a site visit? B, the availability and source for electricity. C, environmental factors that the owner must take care of. D, vehicle access that gets materials within 2 blocks of the job site. Okay, have you chosen one? Number 3, what is a contractor looking for when he or she makes a site visit prior to writing up an estimate? Answer we're looking for here is B, the availability and source for electricity. It is amazing how many times you run into this challenge with different kinds of job sites. Number 4, what are some common estimating mistakes that can win you the bid and lose you a lot of money? A, inaccurate or illegible units of measure, overlooking labor costs, and using non-standard abbreviations. B, conceptual or detrimental pitfalls. C, including contingency time. D, including costs for equipment rental. Okay. Let's say it is, the answer is that we're looking for is A, some of the common estimating mistakes. A, inaccurate or illegible units of measure, overlooking labor costs, using non-standard abbreviations. Now notice on this question, they're asking you for some common estimating mistakes. And then they're listing including contingency time and including costs for equipment rental. Well, those are not mistakes. Those are things that you should do. So you want to remember they'll put in the 4 possible selections, they'll try to put things that look familiar and look like they belong, but you want to carefully read the question and know what you're looking for. Number 5, what are the costs of submitting a bid that is based on faulty estimates? A, the contractor could lose the bid, or they could win the bid and lose money. B, company resources will be preserved. C, the contractor may not receive an invitation to bid. D, the contractor could save time and money by creating estimates quickly. Okay, make a choice. Number 5, what are the costs of submitting a bid that is based on faulty estimates? Answer is A. The contractor could lose the bid because of the errors, or they could win because of their mistakes, win the bid and lose money. So the answer is A. The contractor could lose the bid or win the bid and lose money. Number 6, there are ethical issues in the bidding process that become under state statutes forbidden practices when a contractor is bidding in a public project. What are these issues? A, bid shopping, bid peddling, and bid rigging. B, using a technology tool for bidding. C, refusing to attend a pre-bid meeting. D, bidding the job using only minority subcontractors. Got your answer? Number 6, there are ethical issues in the bidding process that become under state statutes forbidden practices when a contractor is bidding on a public project. What are these issues? Answer is A, bid shopping, bid peddling, and bid rigging.